Some thoughts carry foundation, others fade with time. What is root in principle grows steady and aligned. A thought with clear intention holds strength within its core. It settles deep within awareness and continues more. Vital thought holds endurance, it does not drift or bend. What is grounded in understanding stays present. A vital thought takes root, strong, steady, clear. It replaces weaker patterns that dissolve and disappear. What is formed with principle stands firm and true. Enduring thought with clarity moves everything through. A vital thought takes root, strong, steady, clear. It replaces weaker patterns that dissolve and disappear. What is formed with principle stands firm and true. Enduring thought with clarity moves everything through. Without force or fight, what holds true foundation stays inside. A vital